Hello everyone, my name is Dion Durr from Pinky's Iron Doors, and we're here to showcase the Air 8 double flat door today. One more thing I want to mention, today's September 19th and it's National Pirates Day. Okay, we're going to talk about the 72 by 96 double arched Air 8 door today. On this Air 8 door, we have this curved glass on all of our door. Even if it's a flat top, we still have the curved glass. On this door comes in single also. On the single doors, we have the arch on a single door. So if you want to do a double door in front of the house and do a single door in back of the house, we have matching pairs that you can do. This door is oil rub bronze. It has a little bit of bronze rubbed on it. It starts off as a black door. This is featured with the frost glass today. We have different kinds of glass available on this that you can choose from. We stock them, and also on a special order, which is the little tab next to in stock on top of the Air 8, where it says Air 8 on the actual website. So you have three little tabs: in stock, special order, custom order. On a custom order is where you go in and let's say you don't want a kick plate, you actually drop this down, eliminate that, have a larger piece of glass. Those little things are available to do on on the custom side of it. On a special order, let's just say we have the frost glass available and you want a low E glass. We'll just do it a special order. We'll order one for you. We'll make it for you, and we'll put that glass in it for you, and we'll ship it out to you. Awesome door, simple, never go out of style, very low maintenance because it's iron, and I feel like it's a very elegant and up to date. Like currently, this is definitely in style, and I don't think this will ever go in stock because it's such a simple, beautiful looking door. Hope you guys liked it. I'm gonna flip this around, show you guys what the other side looks like. So we're on the back side of the Air 8. Show you guys how the glass opens. You basically loosen up these knobs and flick them over. Glass opens up. This makes it easy to clean the glass. It also makes it easy to clean the scroll work if needed when it gets dusty. And also, some people like to vent their house by using their front door and open the glass up. So in that case, we offer a screen option. On a special order, you can actually add a screen and we'll make the door with a screen. It's a little bit different how we construct the door because we eliminate this weather seal over here and we replace it with a flat bar, and we have a magnetic screen that goes over it. Remember guys, on all of our doors, whatever I'm showing, different glass types and different colors of the door are available, and there's no additional charge for any of those changes. Also remember, all of our doors are made with 6-inch jambs, which is 6 inches thick. We do have custom sized jambs you can actually pick from on a special order that we can make different changes depending on how thick your wall is or how you want to finish your wall. Yeah, so this is the kick plate. It's duplicated from inside and outside. It's the same exact thing. We keep the same design typically from what it looks like from the outside to the inside. All right, hope you guys enjoyed our showcase on the Air 8 double arch door today with frost glass. If you guys have any questions, please contact us at info@pinkysirondoors.com, which is PINKYS irondoors.com. Or you can call us at 844-843-6677. Thank you.